Another day of surrendering to the wind, the realities that brings to the horses, which is to seek safety where they feel most at ease. I find myself pushing sometimes to try to intervene with my agenda, get them down to middle pasture. It's easier for me to feed them down there. I feel like they need to move. And my kind of cognitive process takes over, and I don't just listen to what they know they need, which is to be here safe in their place. So yeah, I don't want to exert power over them. I want to leave them their autonomy, their agency to choose. I'm really committed to that in all beings. The Institute of Heart Math, which is just an amazing resource, has done a lot of research showing that just 5 minutes a day, kind of sitting with appreciation, lowers blood pressure and cortisol levels and can boost the immune system and elevate serotonin. So it's just a really good reminder for me to hold appreciation, gratitude for so many things. It's easy to just want to find relief, but that's such a different trajectory than stepping into true centered joy and appreciation and gratitude. The energy is just so different. So that's what I'm focusing on today, and grateful for you all here with us. We send our love to you.